Alright everybody, and welcome to the Goodie Pantry. Today we're going to be making chicken tikka, and all the ingredients are there on the screen. Before we get the video done, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be alerted for all videos. Okay, let's get straight into it. So there's all my ingredients. I'm going to start off. This is all my spices and my diced ginger and diced garlic. I've got them diced rather than the puree or the powder, but I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. Next I've got my selection of chicken. I've got chicken thighs and chicken drumsticks. You can just use one or the other. I've got my lemon juice and I've got my natural yogurt. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to go in with our yogurt first. And then you want to get your plate of spices and you're just going to add all of those in at the same time. Next we're going to go in with our lemon juice. And then we're just going to give that a good stir. Make sure you stir it quite well so you get all the bits off the sides. Now if you're using the fresh ginger and garlic I am going to use a hand blender just because I want it all to be smooth puree. But you can use granules or pastes in place of fresh for the ginger and the garlic. Okay, so my mix is ready, so now I'm just going to prepare my chicken. So I'm just going to score the chicken. And this lets all the marinade get into the chicken itself and gets it right down to the bone. So the way I'm doing with mine, I'm just putting a good score mark on each side and then just one down the center to give like a crisscross effect. So here we've got our chicken prepared, so now we're just going to mix this all together. Make sure you get your hands in there and give it a good coating. Because this is going to go in the fridge for at least 24 hours. Okay, now we've got our chicken marinated and it's all covered, so I'm just going to wrap this with cling film. And like I said, this is going to go in the fridge for 24 hours. If you haven't got the time to do this the day before, try and get it done for at least 6 hours in the marinade. But for the best results, it's always better to be done overnight. Okay, so it's the next day, so here's my chicken now. This has been sat for a little over 24 hours. So I'm just going to take the cling film off, and now we're just going to repeat that process. Going to mix it again, make sure to get it all recovered back over, and want to make sure that it's got right down into the gaps and into down to the bone. So when you got your chicken ready and we're ready to bake, so now I'm just going to lightly grease an oven tray ready for the oven. I'm just using a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to start lining up our chicken skin side up. Okay, so once you've got your chicken all lined up, then you want to give it another drizzle of oil ready for to go in the oven. This will help with char in the skin. And when you've got this done and you're ready to go in the oven, you're going to put this into a preheated oven, a 220 fan, and you're going to cook this for 20 to 25 minutes or until it looks like this. Now, as you can see, it's got a lot of nice char, and it tastes, and there you can see it in the picture. This is how it was when I served it up, and I just served this with rice, or you can have this with salad, whichever one you choose. But definitely give this one a go. It tastes fantastic when it's all done. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Quick on there, but don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Thank you to everybody who just recently subscribed, and I will catch you at the next one.